Begin with a multiple of 8 and add 5. Then into the 5th from the hook, DC. Skip 3 chains, do 5 DCs to make a shell into the next, skip 3, do a DC V-stitch, and repeat this until the end of the row. First row will be your V-stitch, your shell, V-stitch, shell, etc. When you have a V, chain up 3 for your turning chain. And in that V, you want to make half a shell. So if you do 2 double crochets into that V-stitch, your turning chain will count as a double crochet, and there's your half a shell. Then your next thing along is the shell, and halfway along that shell you want to make a V. So 1, 2, 3, your double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Whatever you are going into, you are doing the opposite stitch. So next is the V, so we want to do a shell. So in that V, we are going to do 5 double crochets, and you keep going until you get to the end at the end where we have a V-stitch, and you want to go into that V-stitch with 3 double crochets to make that half shell. Like so. When you've done your half shell, chain 4 and turn. Even though it's a half, we're starting with a shell, so we want to do a V-stitch because we're always doing the opposite of what's underneath. So into that same stitch, you want to do 1 double crochet, and that will mean you have a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet to make your V-stitch. And you carry on. There's a V-stitch next, so we're doing 5 double crochets. Next is a shell, so we're doing a V-stitch into the shell on the 3rd, and so on until you get to the end of the row. On the end, we've got our 3 double crochets of the shell. We're going into that very last, which is the top of the chain, and we're going to make a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and you repeat. I personally think it would make a wonderful top, but there you go. Give it a go if you haven't already, but let me know either way in the comments, and hopefully I'll see you soon.